This is the story of Royal Enfield's first ever public custom design competition.
On road पे भी चला सकते हैं and you can also do off-roading.
Not sure if this is going to work.
मेरे को टाइम के टॉप के पोर्शन में ये डिटेल ऐड करना है.
More than 1,000 designs entered, putting their best foot forward to showcase their dream version of the Royal Enfield Meteor. In the end, it's about the 3 best designs, taking a journey to build their own legends.
It'll be fun if we watch you build this.
Pushing that grinder in felt like a badass.
इसको थोड़ा डेंट निकाल के दो मेरे को.
ये मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
This is also about the builders,
इसके साथ है ना इधर का भी देखो.
Oh man,
Look at that.
building a legacy motorcycle after motorcycle.
be careful.
Just make sure you cut the lines straight.
Very nice. Very nice.
Swing arm, we're gonna take out this piece.
This is where we learn about the custom building houses, the people that work there, and about motorcycle customization in the country.
कान नहीं बजेगा तब तक काम कैसे होगा?
Is it?
No questions.
आगे से मस्त दिख रहा है.
Presenting Royal Enfield's first ever public custom design competition.
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks very good.
Build your own legend.
Go home.